In Sage Accpac ERP version 5.6, you'll notice some changes to the product documentation. Most importantly, you'll find a significantly beefed up help system that now takes the place of module-specific PDF manuals. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to access the help system and how to use it most effectively. So let's jump right in and get started. You'll find the help resources in the top menu by clicking Help. Starting at the top, Help Topics is where you'll find the bulk of the product documentation. Notice the tabs across the top, and we're currently on the Contents tab. Here you'll find topics grouped by module, and let's expand Accounts Payable as an example. You'll find that the help for each module has a consistent structure, starting with an introductory page of useful links to help resources. And importantly, each module will have a What's New in version 5.6 section. In this case, we're looking at what's new in Accounts Payable, and don't overlook the links to additional information about a new feature. The next set of sections, denoted by the book icons, are generally present under each module. Here you're provided with documentation for the module's forms, menus, and tools, setting up the module, maintaining master records, in this case vendors, entering and posting transactions, period end processing, and printing reports. Some modules will have additional sections. For example, Inventory Control also has sections on physical inventory and statistics and inquiries. Let's go back to Accounts Payable and open the section on entering and posting transactions. As we move through the subsections, you can see that you're provided an overview of the subject with drill down to further details where applicable. An important addition to the help system in version 5.6 is the What Do You Want to Do section that you'll find under each module. Here you're presented with an extensive list of common tasks with tutorial-style step-by-step instructions. Within these topics, you'll find many instances of hyperlinks that drill you down to further information. So for example, here you're instructed to enter distribution details. If you're not sure how to do this, then clicking the hyperlink reveals additional instructions. Now let's return to the menu tree, and before moving on to the other tabs, you should take note of the Training and Technical Support section. Here you'll find links to additional resources on the Sage website. Now let's take a look at the other tabs. On the Index tab, you'll find a comprehensive list of keywords and terms that you can scroll through, and let's double-click on Account Consolidation in Statements to display the help on this subject. You can also search the index using keywords. Similarly, on the Search tab, you can enter keywords and phrases to search for help on a subject. And if you've never clicked on the Glossary tab in Sage Accpac, I encourage you to take a look here. You'll find descriptions and definitions for Accpac and accounting terms that can be quite useful. So for example, let's type DEF, which jumps us down to default closing account, and at the bottom, you can see that a detailed definition is provided, along with an explanation of how Sage Accpac utilizes closing accounts when you close a fiscal year. What we've shown you here is how to browse the complete help system, but when you're working on a specific task in Sage Accpac, you may want to access help specifically for the screen or task that you're working on. So for example, if we're working with the AP vendor form and are looking for some help with this screen, we can just hit the F1 key and the help window pops up that is specific to the vendor form that we're working with. Notice that for each of the tabs on the form, we have a matching link on the help screen. So again, by using the F1 key, you're able to go straight to the help section that's relevant to where you're working in Sage Accpac. Now let's return to the help system in the top menu and take a look at a few additional elements. Under Documentation, you'll find a number of useful guides in PDF format. This includes customizing forms in Crystal reports, day-end, period-end, and year-end procedures, and importantly, here's the Getting Started guide for Sage Accpac Intelligence. Sage Accpac Intelligence is the powerful Excel-based reporting and analysis tool introduced in version 5.6. So you'll definitely want to take a look at this Getting Started guide and make sure you take a look at the other resources here as well. And one last item. You have access to a What's New in Sage Accpac ERP version 5.6 Anytime Learning course at Sage University. Just click this link to register for the course. So to recap, in version 5.6 of Sage Accpac ERP, you'll find a significantly beefed up help system that now takes the place of module-specific PDF manuals. We encourage you to explore these resources on your own and use the help system as your first line of support when you have questions about procedures and tasks. Give us a call if you need assistance with this or any other feature in your Sage Accpac system. Well, that's it for this tutorial. Bye for now.